So the Star Yamaha Smith and Deegan drama, we got Deegan's side of the story, we've got everybody else's side of the story all over the internet. There's been some funny memes, but today we got Jordon Smith's side of the story. He was on the Exhaust podcast by Racer X with Jason Wygant, and that was the very first question he asked him about 9 minutes into the show. According to Jordon Smith, there was no beef at the practice track. He had nothing against Deegan, and he was completely taken aback at the way Deegan kind of looked at him and was kind of, slowing down and playing cat and mouse with him a little bit in that turn. He does admit that in the second bowl turn where they came pretty close together, he kind of lost his cool, tried to beat Hayden to the that next right-hander turn and ended up going down, couldn't get stopped. Then he actually goes on to say that, he admits he made a ton of mistakes after that. He just wanted to catch up. But he says this all has been so much for him. He actually deleted his Instagram for a while, but he still found it impossible not to see all these memes and read all these different takes on it.